Oh yeah, the whoops. Yeah. Just bashing today. Oh, and he just slams into the edge of it. It's still okay. Can't really hit the whoops good. Oh yeah. That's how you jump it, folks. Misses the landing. Oh my God, Sexton, what are you doing? Check the battery level down to 2. A minute left or so, guys. Oh no! God, I did not like that at all. Ow! Let's check it out. Heli pilot at the wheels, at the handlebar. Oh! Some freestyle motocross. And he hits the log. Oh, and it's broken. Well, good thing I ordered that part. I guess I'm done with this now, folks. It broke right there, just like the other guys. Oh man, Kosho is done. Yeah, probably don't hit that anymore. Bummer, dudes. Power down. Oh man, I broke it. Well, that was live. You can see you can do it, but you better do it right. Bummer. Okay guys, so I just installed my part after I glued it. You can see it is glued. There's a screw here. It's got a through bolt on it. It goes to the other side. It's two 2.5 millimeter screws. And then here's another 2.5 millimeter screw on the top. It's the same on both sides. This one has like a male-female fit, so you got to use 2 wrenches. One down here on the bottom. But for the most part, I'm gonna get through 4th of July now. And I can get back to playing out in the yard without that stupid launch ramp. So there he is, all fixed. I'll put the plastics on and we're good to go. And also happy 4th of July, everybody. It's a bitchin' day in California. Bless the troops. Bless America. Wouldn't be able to have fun like this anywhere else.